Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make watermelon juice. In this recipe, I don't use any sugar, I just make it natural. For this recipe, I will use a pitcher, a strainer, watermelon, and a blender. Okay, before you start making the watermelon juice, make sure that you cut up all the watermelon into pieces before you put it into the blender. So now I will start putting my watermelon pieces into the blender. Okay, now it's time to blend in the watermelon pieces. Now the watermelon is all blended. Okay, now I will pour the watermelon juice into a strainer to make sure that all the seeds are taken out. And with a spoon, you can stir it as the juice goes into the pitcher. Then I will pour some more juice into the strainer. Stir it gently. After you take out the seeds from the juice, you will pour it in a glass. If you like your drinks to be cold, put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and enjoy. Or if you want to drink it right away, add some ice cubes to the drink and enjoy it right away. Thanks for watching my video and let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one. Bye!